Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate shipping logistics with ShipBob, complete guide step by step clearly. To automate shipping logistics with ShipBob, start by creating an account on their website. Fill in the required information to set up your profile. Once registered, log in to your ShipBob dashboard. Connect your online store to ShipBob by selecting the integration option. Choose the platform where your store operates, such as Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Follow the prompts to grant ShipBob access to your store data. Next, set up your product catalog in ShipBob. Import your products by uploading a CSV file or connecting directly from your online store. Verify that all product details, including SKUs, weights, and dimensions, are accurate. Configure your shipping settings by selecting your preferred shipping carriers. Set shipping rates based on your strategy, whether flat rate, free, or calculated at checkout. Create shipping rules that outline the conditions under which specific rates apply. After configuring shipping settings, manage your inventory by transferring stock to a ShipBob fulfillment center. Label your products according to ShipBob's requirements for efficient processing. Monitor your inventory levels regularly through the ShipBob dashboard. Use the fulfillment options provided to create automated workflows for order processing. Set up automatic reorders to ensure you never run out of stock on high-demand items. Manage returns and exchanges by using ShipBob's returns portal for hassle-free processing. Track your shipment's progress with ShipBob's real-time tracking feature. Review your shipping analytics to optimize your logistics moving forward. Adjust your strategies based on performance data to improve efficiency and customer satisfaction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.